Afternoon, this is Steve and Tina here. We're on our way to the mainland, and we've just driven down to Duke Point, the ferry terminal. We booked our ticket about a month ago, and we're waiting to see what's going to happen now. It looks like there's a 2 sailing wait. Let's have a look. I hope not, because that's going to be about 4 hours. We were meant to get to the mainland at 4. That could put us there at 8 now. Who knows? Anyway, we'll keep you updated. We're on our way to Portland, Oregon for a long weekend. Here comes our ferry.
Yeah, we're going in the ferry.
Oh, I haven't got my seatbelt on. Some poor bugger couldn't start his car back there. There we go. Let's see.
Caution, ferry.
There's a bit of a traffic.
Yeah.
That's Gabriela Island, is it? And an island.
Said it's an older ferry.
That's where
Look at that. Yeah, look at that. The old.
the ferry look like the one we have in
Yeah,
Cambodia.
it's like the kangaroo one, isn't it? The quadrant one.
Oh, it's two they're gonna meet it up.
Yeah.
There's a cruise ship over there as well.
Well, a bigger ferry.
Yeah.
Maybe the Horseshoe Bay one.
Oh, look at those two meeting.
Yeah.
The ferry going to put Gabriela Island. But they look the same as Cambodia.
We're going to get on the 2 o'clock ferry. So definitely recommend booking. Yeah, they'll send us up the side. I don't know if you can see this. Yep.
There we go.
I don't know if he lets the side
We
off.
made it.
Yeah, I think he lets this line off earlier. I think those ones on the left and the right, they have to wait because they're blocked in. Okay, let's put the camera on. Okay, so the ferry's headed off. I'm just going to go to the back of the boat out of the wind so we don't get any wind noise. It's really nice inside. Older ferry, but it looks like they've modernised it. There's Nanaimo over there. Way too much noise.
Caution, ferry.
Yes, we're leaving the ferry. This is Tuasan. Satellite's just clicked in. And we're off to America, USA, which is about, I don't know, half hour maybe from here. Going to the Peace Arch or the truck crossing. Depends if we get any information on how long the wait time is to cross the border. We'll try and see if we can get the shortest one. Okay, so we just crossed the Peace Arch border crossing. We are now in the United States of America, Washington. We had about a 10-minute delay at the border, which was brilliant. Not too bad, a very friendly immigration officer. So on our way to our Airbnb, which is about 30 kilometers away, so it's like 20 miles away, so we'll be there well before. We'll be at about 6ish, I guess. We'll stop at Bellingham for St. Louis, eh?
Yeah.
There we go. Hold the camera.
What?
Yeah, on the 5.
Turn next left, then turn right immediately.
Well, we've been following the directions on the satellite, well, whatever it is, the GPS, and it's just run us into.
Turn next right,
Jesus
then
Christ.
turn right immediately.
Just ran us into downtown Seattle. It's like a bloody gong show here.
Said that turn right immediately.
What?
Yeah.
Keep right after 100 meters, then drive straight.
Keep right, yeah.
Keep right, yeah. Yeah, it's a bloody gong show, isn't it? Yeah, we want south, I-5 south. I wish we'd stuck with the got on the 405. We're now in Oregon, and we're going to these waterfalls. I don't know if we're going to get in because it says permit required, so we'll have to see what we've got there. Rooster Rock State Park. This is Rooster Rock, then, Tina.
Yeah.
We've got the Columbia Gorge on our left, huge big river, and there's sweet.
Those rocks up there. Yeah.
Yeah, we've got. Say there's a big mountain ahead of us. We think it's Mount Hood. We're about 7 or 8 miles now from.
To the waterfall.
Yeah. Well, we've just stopped at Horseshoe Waterfalls. I've had to do some dodgy parking. Park on the grass there. And the place is just loaded. People are everywhere. The other waterfalls that we were going to ended up missing the turn off. It was like a left-hand turn off instead of a right, and I was in the right lane, and too many cars were coming to change lanes at the last minute. Anyway, these waterfalls are pretty impressive. Let's cross over and get one over. Oh, there's people swimming in there. Wow. I bet that's cold. Wow. Yeah. Oh. Here we are at Horseshoe Falls, just across the Oregon border, and you can see how tall they are. We've got people swimming in the pool at the bottom. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we're in a parking lot now, waiting for a space to open for the. God, I can't remember the name of those waterfalls we're at now. Oh look, there's the trolley there.
Mulutanani Falls.
Yeah.
Mulutakani.
Yeah, this is a free parking lot apparently, so we don't have to pay. Just have to wait for an opening. We missed the middle one off the. Oh, there's a.
There's a parking.
I'm getting waved down.
Okay.
Yeah.
So watch the lead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go park on our spot. Which one is it?
Oh.
Oops.
Oh, well, there's a spot there. That's what that lady was telling us about. Yeah, I'd better thank her for letting us know. Well, we're here, and I say we missed the left-hand exit off that main road, but apparently we needed a permit, and if we hadn't made it, we would have been kicked out anyway. So we've done all right. We were at the right spot, and we're going to get to see the waterfalls. Hi, I've got a train coming. Is it a big one? Here's the other waterfalls we're going to go to. Wow, they're high. There's a nice, looks like there's a nice restaurant and gift shop over there. And we've got free parking. Yeah. Yeah. There's the river coming off of it. Hold it, Tina. Thank you.
That's one of my dream cars. You know those like overtaking.
Grab an ice cream or a snack maybe later. We're going to take a walk up to that bridge now. At least it's nice and cool.
Yeah. Perfect temper.
Yeah. Wow, it's a bit of a hike. Yeah. And I think they've got plenty of seats up. We're going to end up to that bridge in a minute. Yeah, let's get going. Yeah, it's gentle slope. Must admit, all the hard driving we've had today, the traffic coming through Seattle, past Tacoma, Olympia, coming up to Portland was pretty miserable. I think it's all been worthwhile now. Really enjoying the waterfalls. It's nice and cool, beautiful views. Very busy, but apparently I think end of the day it's quietening down a bit by the looks of it, because we managed to get a parking spot pretty quickly.
Can you show them
I always liked home alone. Because you just left our conversation. What you did, you just
Lots of zigzags. How you doing, Tina? You doing all right?
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
It's looking good.
Yeah.
Yes, but it's not too slow.
No, it's just a gentle climb. Switchbacks after switchback. I see what I'm looking towards now. That makes it all worthwhile. Wow. Oh well. Oh, there's more footpaths over the other side. There's more up there, Tina, on the other side. I think we just go to the bridge. A beautiful gorge on the other side. Wow, look at that. We're up at the bridge now.
You follow the people. Why are people wasting money? By what? Look at all the cars I'm sending.
Right. Bloody GPS has brought us up a one-way street on a tram line. We just had to back off the tram line. Bloody GPS, so now I've got to do a U-turn. So I'm facing the wrong way on one-way street. Dear oh dear. Yeah, here's our room for the night here at the Paramount. I think I'm gonna have a nice hot shower now after the fright of driving the wrong way up the wrong way road, or up the wrong way road, or tram line to the head-on tram.
There's a view.
Yeah.
Oh, at Hilton Hotel still.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, we can look at the Hilton, but we're not staying there. Oh. Yeah, we got coffee maker. Oh, Starbucks coffee. Well, not much of a view of the roofs down below. But I think it's going to be nice and quiet up here. And it didn't seem to sound too bad an atmosphere downtown. Well, yeah, on the outskirts it was looking a bit rough, but downtown looks quite nice. Looking forward to a nice relaxing stay now. So into the shower.